Ringkat ke jingtmu ban kren halor ki mat ki bakongsan ki lat Pathai Khubor ke jilla Meghalaya ke Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association MIPA hakahenru teregunai lur arhaja arpusan kala penlong ya ke General Meeting ha Shillong Club. Hakani kesngi la wan banyashim benta da ke Dr. Ampareen lingdo ke Menteri Berikmi Yakatanat Information and Public Relations kum ke kongsan har ringkat ke jingadon lang Vijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner but Secretary ke Information and Public Relations ki lat Pathai Khubor nalor kiwe pan. Hakani kesngi la pentamai ru ya ki nongkit kam jong seng na kebental laisnem hakabau ba monarch Shabong ula syajit biang kumu President baru ba John W. Thaba kumu General Secretary ke kong banda blak kum ke Treasurer nalor kiwe pat ki nongkit kam ke seng. Haba Ïakren hakani kesngi ke Dr. Ampareen lingdo kalaong bang Ïakren ni ke Jinglaitluid ki lat Pathai Khubor henrengi Klet pat ya ke Jingkitkhlieh da ka penpau ba ke jingdon jong ke Artificial Intelligence mentahi ke long ke jingma ke bakrau. Nalor kata kalaong baka mipa kadai ban pet ya karukom Pathai Khubor khnang bakanom long ka basya silang bat ka ban bu jingma ya ki nong song snong.
To review and to give shape to some of the genuine concerns of MEPA in the interest of all concerned. My request, Badlang, at this point of time, is to spend time to give flesh and blood to some of the proposals which have been left pending. We are also in conversation with the Honourable Chief Minister on a highly probable solution to the institutionalization of a press conclave, housing and other facilities for journalists and editors and publishers in the state of Meghalaya. We have also come to one understanding that there is an urgent need to attend to some of the resolutions that you again reiterated in your meeting today. And with the government of India being proactive to cover all workers under several schemes, particularly the scheme that we need to look at the retirement facilities, health coverage facilities for states in the country as a whole. The PMSYM, for example, is a very probable way out for workers in these publishing houses who are not journalists and do not fall under the benefits of journalists. And this scheme is now being reviewed actively, and it shall shortly roll out in the government. And we are confident that there is no denying that lives of workers across sectors in the state of Meghalaya are protected. The housing facility for journalists, publishers, editors is a very genuine concern. But now all we have to do is to ensure at this point and stage of discussion that these proposals are generated very actively, firstly from yourselves. I request MEPA, we talk about freedom of the press, but we fail to talk about responsibilities of the press. And at the rate at which the social media is engaging without monitoring is getting to be very, very dangerous. With IA now becoming a huge intervention, untruths will be made out to be truth. And the point that we need to understand is, will MEPA and other associations of journalists be made responsible to ensure that flow of information is not biased, is not attacking, and does not fulfill only a press, what should I say, trial, which sometimes becomes very, very dangerous for citizens at large. The moment the media picks up a story and decides that this will be the story for the next 1 month, and that many of the social media activists are surviving on this YouTube membership and numbers, viewership, and I don't know what all is now dictating the world. The integrity of the press and the media is being compromised, no matter who the victim is.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya